Why do we say bless you after someone sneezes? This common courtesy dates back to ancient times when sneezing was thought to expel evil spirits from the body. The phrase God bless you was meant to protect the sneezer from these spirits re-entering. Another theory comes from the time of the bubonic plague, where sneezing was an early symptom, and bless you became a prayer for the person's health. But here's the curious twist. Even though the original reasons have faded, the tradition continues to this day. What do you say after a sneeze? Let us know in the comments.